afternoon to everyone. Today's my presentation topic is comparative study of things fall apart and sorry, this is my spelling mistake, and Kanthapura sociological perspective. This is a picture of books and here we can discuss sociological perspective. First of all, we take some information about Things Fall Apart. Things Fall Apart published in 1958, just before Nigerian independence. The novel recounts the life of the village hero Okonko and describes the arrival of white missionaries in Nigeria and its impact on traditional Igbo society during the late 18th century. We all know that the novel Things Fall Apart deals with Igbo tradition and here the protagonist Okonko believes in Igbo culture and leads their rituals forward and in their culture. And the second is Kanthapura, the first major Indian novel in English, was written in the colonial India in 1913. It deals with the civil disobedience movement of the 1930. We all know that Things Fall Apart deals with colonization through British culture and Kanthapura also deals with colonization by the British culture. And his novel deals of colonial India is post-colonial in spirit of various reasons to defy Gandhiji is the art of the process of decolonization in Indian mind. And in both the text, sociological comparison to these three points. First is British colonialism, second is through culture, and third is role of protagonist in both the text. British colonialism in Kanthapura regarded as a colonial novel of 1938. It decolonized the mind of the people of Kanthapura. The simple happening, including the fight against British colonialism at Skeffington Coffee Estate, gives us a clear picture of the decolonization process and the role of Gandhism. In this novel, we can find one character of Achakka, who is the protagonist, which forwards the idea of Gandhism to get freedom in our country. And British colonialism in Things Fall Apart. Things Fall Apart is set during a period of British colonial rule of Nigeria in the late 18th century. This book, Things Fall Apart, deals with the late century of 18th and then Nigeria became a British colony in 1886. And it was deals with Christian missionaries arrived in Nigeria in the mid-18th, and by the end of the century had begun a strong conversion campaign. They wanted to African people to embrace Christianity. And this is some picture of culture in Things Fall Apart. First picture is a god, and second picture is mask, because they used some mask in their religious ceremony, and this a picture of animals shows that they eat flesh in their religious ceremony and celebrate to it, and this center picture shows some hearts, and this fifth picture shows that her ceremony with used drum and culture in Gandhapura. Here we can see that dresses and herds, and it shows tradition of a village, and this picture Gandhiji deals with Gandhism in Gandhapura, and third is goddess, means in this novel one character Chakra is a goddess of the village. It shows their culture, rituals, and their traditions. The role of protagonist here role of Chakka in the Gandhapura becomes central to forward the idea of Gandhiji, and here role of Okonkwo leads to idea of his father, and want to success in life, in Gandhapura Chakka represent Gandhiji's philosophy, and in King's Polo part Okonkwo believes that strength and thoughtness are more important than compassion and gentleness, and here the Chakka do his work with positivity, and forward the idea of Gandhiji in his novel.